So this is the shift key and this is the space key. So if you press this shift key and the space key at the same time, then that is the keyboard shortcut be used in Excel for selecting a row. Suppose I want to select this row, that is I click here. If I want to select this entire row, then I will simply use this keyboard shortcut, that is I press the shift key and space bar, these two keys at the same time. Then you can see that the entire row have been selected now. Okay, I'll show you once again. I'm going to select the row number 10, this one. If I want to select this entire row, again a same method, that is press the shift key and the space at the same time, and you can see that we have selected the entire row. For more you can subscribe. Thank you.